Have you been waiting for a very long time for your manifestations to come true, but they're just not happening and you're getting really frustrated? This video is for you. Hello, my name is Kartika Nair, and today I'm going to help you lock down for the rest of your life, understand why your manifestations are not happening and how to instantly change your vibration. Please hit the bell icon. When you hit it, you get notified. And if you don't hit it, you will miss all my videos. The number one reason why people are not getting what they're asking for is not because they've not asked for it. They've asked. The moment you have a desire, the universe has heard you. You have asked. At a non-physical level, it's there. Now you have to open the door and let the desire in. This is where most people block themselves, because this is where your emotions either allow something to come in or close the door from something coming in. Whereas our emotions are on the fact that it's not happened yet, how long it's been, the frustrated emotions you're feeling, you're focused on what's not working out, and all of this locks the door and stops you from receiving what you want. So I'm going to enact this for you. Kartika, I am 38 years old. For 11 years, I've been trying to manifest my soulmate. Nothing is working out. This law of attraction stuff is just absolute bullcrap. Ma'am, I absolutely understand. I just want to know, where is your focus? Are you focused on all the tiny miracles that are in your present moment right now? No. Are you focused on all the self-love that you're feeling through your self-love practices? No. Are you focused on all the good feeling images of life after your marriage? No. Okay, so where exactly is your focus, ma'am? Well, I've been focused on the lack of good proposals. I've been focused on how much I hate arranged marriages. I've been focused on how bad I am at seducing people. I've been focused on how old I'm getting. I've been focused on what society is telling me. I've been focused on how many years it's been, because this is just getting ridiculous now. Right. So how does this make you feel, ma'am? Well, it makes me feel terrible. It makes me feel like I'm not good enough. It makes me feel like this is not meant for me. It's not going to happen for me. It makes me feel horrible. And the law of attraction is also? It's a law of emotions. Very good. So, how I feel is what I will keep attracting more of. So, the more you focus on the lack of it, creates more lack in my life. And that is because no amount of protesting the lack of something can make the abundance of it manifest. Good. So what do we do when we feel negative emotions? Well, Kartika, based on what you've taught, you have said that when we feel negative emotions, we acknowledge our emotions, we thank our emotions for showing us that we've been focused on what we do want. So then we immediately think about what we do want and loving reasons why we're enjoying it. Good. And then what do we do after that? So we will pivot our thoughts. So to pivot our thoughts and energy, the first question we will ask ourselves is, what do I actually want? Truthfully, what do I actually want? And assuming I have it, what am I loving about having it? That is how the emotions come up. So let me ask you, what do you actually want? Well, I want marriage. I want wonderful kids. I want to feel loved. Very good. So next step, assume you have it already. What are you loving about having it? Okay, well, I love the feeling of cuddling. I love the feeling of traveling together. I love the feeling of seeing my kids running around all happy and giggling. I love the feeling of us just having, so much of connection and love for each other and trusting each other. And how do you feel now? Kartika, I'm feeling good, but I've been doing this for so long, I'm just so tired. You see what you did right there? See, very simply understand. The moment you focus on abundance of what you want, the law of attraction arrow goes there. The moment you notice the lack, the law of attraction arrow goes there. So just understand this about time and space, okay? Time, there is only one time. That is the present moment, okay? That is all that exists. There's only one time, and that is this present moment. Now, space, there exist two spaces. One is the physical realm where we are sitting right now, right? And the other is the non-physical realm, the energy. Okay, anything is pure energy. So you have the physical manifested realm and the non-physical non-manifested realm. Both of them exist right now in the present moment. In the moment you had the desire, it is given to you in the non-physical world. It's done, it's over, it's yours. Claim it. Oh yeah, I just kind of noticed that. That's my pattern, that's my habit, is that instead of seeing the good, I immediately go into the lack. Now I'm aware of it, I'm going to pivot again. Now I'm feeling good. Okay, so the next time you're focusing on the lack of what you want, what are you going to do? Every time I feel negative, I'm going to thank my emotions for showing me that I'm focused on the lack. And then I'm going to ask myself, what is it that I really want? And then, assuming I have it, what am I loving about having it? And then keep making those lists until I'm in the vibrational space of feeling comforted and secure. And there you go. Will you be practicing pivoting when you are focusing on the lack? If you promise to practice it, comment below saying, my miracles are already set in place for me now. Enjoy that feeling of security, because that is what opens the door. Comment below. My miracles is already set in place for me now. Talking about receiving blessings, on the 24th of this month, we had a fabulous money energy class. It was said in the feedback form that it was the best class that we'd ever given. Nobody knew what to expect. The topics were so unique. It was on money ethics, money energy, things that very few people know. And the thing was that room got filled up 10 minutes before it even started. Very few people knew about the Facebook stream. So we are doing the live class, money energy class again on the 1st. If money is what you want to attract, this class is in your arsenal. Use it, fly with it. Everything is in this class. Please come for that class. You can register for it below. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I look forward to seeing you on the 1st of May class. That's the money energy class. Please register below. I love you all. And please let me know in the comments, what did you take back from the conversation we had today? I love you. See you soon. Namaste. Thank you so much. I'm feeling so much better now.